welcome to Damu Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members. So here in this session, we'll discuss Introduction to Cell. Here we are already started Biology NEET course. So all frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. So you can watch our videos and you can learn easily by taking off this series course. So introduction to cell, first bit. So what is multiple choice question? The functional unit of life is called. So which one is a functional? Basic unit for life is called. What is that? First one is A, that is cell. So you can take it as cell as a functional unit of life. Next one. The control unit of cell is. So which one is a control? Which one will be control the cell? So what is that? Here nucleus and cell wall, cytoplasm, all of this. So nucleus, cell wall and cytoplasm, which the control unit of cell. So which one is control? That is nucleus, which is in at the center. Next, cell is discovered by. So who was discovered cell? So first option Robert Brown, next Robert Hooke, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek and John Mendel. So who is discovered cell? So third one we know that his answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke, B, option B. Next one. The cells, next fourth one, what is that? Cell theory states. So cell theory states that what is that? First one, all cells are living cells. All cells have nucleus. Cells are fundamental structural unit of living organisms. Cell reproduce by mitosis and meiosis. So cell theory states that. The theory which states that cells are fundamental structural unit of living organisms. So that is the C. So one blind logic I can give here is in the physics or biology, it may be sometimes will be useful, but not sure it will get it. Which sentence is a bigger sentence, which sentence is longest sentence, then that one you can select as a answer. Next one, that is only blind logic. This is not a compulsive logic too, you have to follow. Fifth one, omnis cellula decellula is generalization given by. So omnis cellula decellula is generalization given by first one Sheldon, Shaw and Leeuwenhoek, Virchow. So fifth one answer we know that is Virchow. So that is D, option D. Next one, sixth one, Robert Brown discovered. So Robert Brown, which one? He is the discovered cell, nucleus, C, bacteria cell and eukaryotic cell. So Robert Brown is discovered that nucleus in the cell. So nucleus, he was discovered nucleus. So nucleus discovered by Robert Brown. Next one, seventh one, single-celled organisms are called unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms, both of these and none of this. So single means uni. So uni means single. So you can select as unicellular organisms. Next one. Which of the following are examples of prokaryotes? So prokaryotes means which will take in the prokaryotes, algae, fungi, bacteria and protozoa. So eighth one we know that is bacteria are the prokaryotes. So which will take something to the one place to the other place. So for that it is prokaryotes. Next one, prokaryotic cell has. So prokaryote cell has nucleate, true nucleus, nucleosome and centromere. So which one we will take it as? So prokaryotic cell has nucleoid. Option A. Next one, which of the following statements are true about eukaryotes? So prokaryotes and eukaryotes. They are cells with a nucleus. They are found both in humans and multicellular organisms. Endoplasmic reticulum is present. They have chemically complex cell wall. So here they are given that first option 1, 2, 3. So these are all and 1, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4 all are correct. So 10.1, so they have chemically complex cell wall. So eukaryotes does not have, does not have chemically complex cell wall. So for that, eukaryotes will be satisfied only 1, 2, 3. So for that, answer is option, you can select A. And 11th one, what do prokaryotic cells lack? So which does not have, which one? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell wall, and membrane bound nucleus. So what is this? So prokaryotes will have cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell wall, everything, but eukaryotes does not have cell wall. That is the difference of both. So here membrane bound nucleus, membrane bound nucleus. Next, second one, sorry, 12th one, blue green algae are. So blue green algae are prokaryotes, eukaryotes, both A and B, neither A nor B. So blue algae, we're already seen here. So blue algae will be, it is prokaryotes. So prokaryotes. Next one, the unit of measurement used for expressing size of a cell is. So size of the cell is, so what is that here? Centimeter, micrometer, millimeter, both B and C, micrometer and millimeter. So which one? Option D, both micrometer and millimeter, you can use it expressing the size of the cell. So that is the option 13th, D. 14th one, arrange the following cells in an ascending order of their size. Choose the correct option among the following. So 14th one you can see here is mycoplasma, ostrich egg, human RBC, red blood cells, and bacteria. So you can select as mytoplasma is smaller, ascending order, right? Mytoplasma is first one, we can get it, and bacteria, then human or red blood cells, and ostrich egg. So 1, so here 1, this is 2, then ost 3, 4. So 1 came, 2 plus 4 came, and third one human red blood cells, and this one. So option A you can select. So that is the ascending order. Descending means ostrich egg, human RBC, bacteria, and mycoplasma. Sorry, mycoplasma. So descending order. Ascending means for that reverse. So that is the 14th one. Next, what is the 15th one? So here 15th. Read the following terms and choose the correct combination of terms with reference to an animal cell is. First one, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, and plastid. Combination of terms with reference of animal cell. So animal cell, which one is the included? Cell wall, nucleus, ribosome, chromosome. Next, cell membrane, ribosome, mitochondria, cell membrane, ribosome, mitochondria, chloroplast. So 15th one you can see here, that is cell membrane. Go with the option C, cell membrane, ribosome, mitochondria. Mitochondria, it will not have chloroplast. Chloroplast will be there in plant cells. So that is the one. Next one, 16th one. Animal cell differs from plant cells in possessing ER, Golgi body, lysosome, and centrosome. So 16th one you can go with the centrosome. Option D. Option D. Next, 17th one, a cell X contains a cell wall, large central vacuole, and a nucleus at the periphery. The cell X is plant cell, animal cell, bacterial cells, and prokaryotic cells. So plant cells. So central vacuole and nucleus at the periphery. Nucleus at the periphery means at the near to the wall. Match the following. Smallest cell. So